Hey everybody, so welcome to step one of making your paperback coloring book. So we're going to start by making a KDP account, and if you don't know how to do that, I'm going to show you. So let's get started. Alright, so for step one, you're going to go to step one link, which will be in the description below. You will want to create your account with your name, your email, and your password, and then you're going to want to make another password. So from there, you're going to create the account, and it'll create it because you got some stuff in there, and you have to make an account. I've already made one, so I don't have to. So that's pretty much the end of this step, and yeah, let's go on to step number two, which is create your interior manuscript. Alright guys, get to it. Hey guys, and thank you for checking out step one. If you'd like to download the ABC Toddler 1, 2, 3 manuscript that I made for children's education, learning numbers and letters, click on the link in the description below to my Google Drive and have it. If not, continue to step two and create your interior manuscript. So we will get into that now. Thank you for checking out the video. Hit that like and subscribe button below, and be prepared to be informed. Take it easy until next time. If you're not checking out the next episode, appreciate you.